Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a new printer in Cura Slicer. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the Prepare tab and click on the right here on this tab and click Add Printer. Now you'll need to select Ultimaker Printer or not Ultimaker Printer, so I'm going to choose None. And right here you can add a true networked printer or you can add a non-networked printer, so I'm going to do that. And right here you can scroll down or search for the printer. So I'll basically go with the Creality. And right here you can select all the Creality printers. So I will go with the Creality Ender 3 Pro. Right here you can you can customize your printer name and click add. After that, you'll need to wait a little bit till it loads. And right here you'll need to just see the printer settings and the extruder settings if it is right or not, and you'll need to click next. And as you can see, now you added your Creality 3D printer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.